What is air hydropower? What is when somebody asks you and you're in an elevator and somebody says, "Tell me about what air hydropower is and what they do." What do you say?
Well, that's a great question. We were founded in 1961, and Air Hydropower is a regional product and solutions provider in the fluid power, hose and fitting, and automation arena. We've got over 290 employees in over 20 locations in Kentucky, Indiana, West Virginia, Alabama, Mississippi, and Florida, and we're a trusted advisor and supplier to over 6,000 customers. The key to the success
6,000.
has been 6,000. That's a bunch. We have no one customer over 5% of our business. So that's an
Okay.
interesting factoid there. The key to this success has been our extremely customer focused, engaged workforce that are supplying systems that make our customers more productive. And in 2023, Air Hydropower was acquired by one of the most diverse and largest ESOPs in the USA, Houchins Industries. This will now enable all of our employees to become owners of Air Hydropower. And this is something that's extremely exciting for myself and the other previous owners of the company, but especially for our employees and the longevity of Air Hydropower to keep it intact the way that we want it to be.